Meet Jim, the CIO of a well-known ISP brand in Houston. Jim is very loyal and has been working with the organization for the past 20 years, having started his journey as a field engineer. 2 months ago at midnight 2 a.m., Jim received a call from his subordinate, informing him of a fire in their data center. Jim listened to him and asked to fail over business to DR they have built in another region. His subordinate told him that they couldn't fail over to the DR site as it was already undergoing maintenance due to heavy snowfall. Due to his loyal nature, Jim drove to the location of the data center and tried to save as many devices as he could. After 3 hours, the fire department controlled the disaster, but Jim had lost his data and configuration. Being an ISP, his end customers also faced issues, leading to significant financial losses in many sectors of the economy. The next day, in a board meeting, Jim was asked by the board members to step down from his position. He tried to explain how things could be improved, but he found that his lips were sealed and he couldn't talk. He panicked and he fell from his bed. What a terrible nightmare. He checked his clock and found it was 2 a.m. He immediately logged into his monitoring tool and found everything was up and running fine. He couldn't sleep the entire night, thinking about how the situation he experienced in the dream could have been avoided. The next day, after reaching the office, he contacted Hurix Digital, a popular and trustworthy cloud service provider, and decided to build a secondary disaster recovery site on Azure Cloud with an active configuration. He also decided to surrender their secondary data center, where snowfall issues arose every other day. Today, Hurix Digital's cloud services is taking care of Jim's organization service availability, and Jim is having the peaceful nights he deserves. Be like Jim and choose an expert like Hurix Digital for your needs.